Let's do a quick sound tube delete and see here I bought Verus Engineering. I don't know if you can see that. Verus Engineering sound tube delete kit. I believe it's like $25 and plus shipping. And what you get is in here you get a sticker, Verus Engineering sticker, which is sweet. I mean, if you want to represent their brand. And inside you get a little plug for the firewall between the engine bay and the inside compartment. And then you get the actual sound tube delete part, which makes it look very clean, and it's out of, I believe this is anodized aluminum, and it's just this little thing. Actually, let's take a focus on it. I'll show you up close. Has a little Verus Engineering logo right there, and just the hose, air hose connects up here, and this goes to your intake. Very simple little port. They overcharge a lot, but I mean, it's CNC'd aluminum. Let's do a quick install of that in the engine bay. Once you remove your sound tube, which goes from around here all the way to that hole and connect somewhere around here on these parts, it just clutters up your engine bay. I don't like how it looks, and pretty much the whole thing, it doesn't really add any much sound that I have noticed. And there's the empty hole that is left, so you use the plug that you get from your kit and just plug it back up, just like such. Easy fitment, and it just went in very smoothly. It's a very like a rubberized grommet sort of feeling to it. Now we have this part left, which as you can see I had taped off because I did this delete, but did not have installed the part. You could just do this and just keep it. It just doesn't look as pretty. So we have the actual anodized aluminum part. Let's install this. Clamp it together if we can get it. Remove that part, and then the hose as well. Give it a little restraint, get it in there. There we go. With a bit of strength, it went in. Clamp it up like so, making space, and put it back into place. There you go. There's the install. Looking real clean. I like how it looks. Made your engine bay just look that much more clean.